So I am at the happiest place on earth, Home Goods / TJ Maxx. And my girl Lauren's here with me, helping me distinguish the amazing home decor from the just mediocre stuff. And she's whipping me into shape. So far, so good. There is so much cute stuff here. I love that you can just find unique things that you can't find other places. You guys know I'm an Anglophile. I love British things. Are you kidding me? So cute. How fun is that? Of course, I've never been to London, but that can be our little secret. At least we can have British ornaments on the tree. When you're decor shopping, you want somebody that's just going to say yay or nay and not mess around. And that's totally Lauren. She's like, nope, nope, put that back. And that's exactly what you need. What do you think? Anything good?
Stick with that fur one over there.
Okay. Looks so cozy. Because this might go a little too brown, do you think?
Yeah, and then it'll tie in the white fur of those other stuff we got.
Yep, I love that idea too. I have some emerald green ones that are fur.
Okay.
But they're not emerald, they're more like hunter green.
Yeah.
But we can just see if those work. We have officially got a cart caravan happening. Shaye and I did this at Hobby Lobby, and you know, you get some looks, but it's all for the Christmas spirit. So we're on our second stop at Target. You guys were in the car at TJ Maxx, but you get to come into Target, huh? We've been in here all of 5 minutes and our cart is already full. You got a good find there. Lauren was telling me about this earlier. She's like, it's this 3-prong thing. It's perfect for... Our firewood / throw / blanket / put whatever you want on that thing. All right, guys, we've been getting all kinds of stuff together for our Christmas decorations. Lauren's coming over and she's going to help me just style everything and put it together. It's so overwhelming trying to do this all by myself. I love Christmas decorating, but it's a really busy time of year and I just want it to be beautiful. It'll be so nice to have an extra set of eyes and someone who's just a pro with Christmas. So looking forward to that. The Christmas goddess has arrived. Yay! Ready to do some decorating?
Yes. Hi, bye.
He's like,
There's all this Christmas stuff going on, Desi. Come help us.
all right, so we have got a lot to do.
Yes, we do.
We're going to do the hearth first. I'm so excited.
Yeah,
let's get started.
It'll be good.
Lauren, this is looking so cute.
I know, I love it.
So we've got some asymmetry going on, which I love. I tend to be like super symmetrical. So your idea to like offset the stockings and then offset the lanterns over here. I'm in love, seriously.
Good. Well, this is like really popular right now. Before we would have the stockings that like went across the mantle and then you would like space them just right and have them perfect. You just bunch them all together.
So cozy.
And your fur ones that you picked out turned out like so perfect to offset and it matches the tree so well that we did a couple days ago.
Thanks. These burlap ones I made a couple of years ago. And these ones I just found, whoops. These fur ones are just from Target. And these little stocking holders, what do you even call those things? Stocking
Hooks.
stocking hooks. These were a Home Goods find. I just love like the wire. I feel like it ties into our house really well. We already got one project accomplished. Next, let's on to the open shelving in the kitchen.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so story time. We've been looking for something for this wall in our great room ever since we moved in here, and it's been tricky. This space is really important to us, so we want whatever we have here to be beautiful. We found this entry table on Amazon, and I put it together last night. Not right for the space. You know what's right for the space though? These shoes. Isn't this so super cute decor right here? Super cute. So we got this entry table on Amazon. It really just isn't right for the space. The good news is I think we just found something today that will be perfect for right here. Maybe our great room will finally be complete, you guys. Just in time for this Christmas home tour video. Yes. We are getting ready to put up the decorations in the kitchen. Our friend Chloe came over to help us.
Hello.
So I'm so lucky. I feel like this is so hard to do by yourself and it takes me hours and I stare at it and I'm never sure if it looks quite right. You guys know I love decorating, but this is like decorating your whole house in a couple days. We like to take it room by room, and with Christmas, we want it all to look just right and decorate things to the nines. So we have got all of this Christmas decor laid out here. I'm sure we won't use all of it, and we probably will have things that we don't have yet that we'll need. So this will be a good start. We'll get the base layer going, and then we'll know what we need. guys, it took us 20 minutes-ish to do this. Do you know how long that would have taken me by myself? So we've got a good start here. There's some things I still need to get, right? We need some cute little plate easels for my Christmas dishes. But then after that, we'll be about done, right?
Yeah, so we just need something for right here.
Yes.
And then that's really the only two things, and this is all done.
We're still trying to figure out exactly what goes there. Ooh. We will figure it out. All right, next we're hanging wreaths. How cute are these? We're gonna hang wreaths on these windows and on these French doors. In fact, when we were building this house and I saw these French doors installed, one of the first things I said to Shaye was, let's put Christmas wreaths on all of those doors. So I'm so excited to see this all done.
I want French doors in my house now because I love these. It's my favorite.
Ladies, thanks to your OCD magic, these look perfect. And yes, Shaye and I would have been that OCD on our own, but it would have taken us forever.
Yay.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. So fun.
Oh my heck, I'm so excited to see these in the day too. Like they are gonna look so good. All right, this is the fun part where we get to show you guys how it all came together. This train and Christmas village bring major Christmas nostalgia to Shaye and me. We filmed quite a bit of our process of putting this track together in the Christmas village, so comment below if you'd like to see a separate video of how we did this. We are loving all the cozy details on our Christmas tree. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our Christmas tree decorating video to see how we got this look. This nativity is one that we picked up at Costco. We were really happy with how detailed it is, and we strung fairy lights all around it so that we could illuminate it at night. These are the entry tables I was telling you about. Now we just need to find wall decor to put behind them. This Santa and Mrs. Claus were handed down to me from my grandmother. I remember seeing these in her house as a little kid. And of course, this is our elf on the shelf, Lala. This is how she made her first appearance for our kids this season. And here's the kitchen. I found this sign at Joann and I thought it was so cute. These Christmas dishes are very special to me. My granny got sick when I was a young child, and when we knew she didn't have a lot of time left, she invited me over to her house and we boxed up these dishes together. We are looking forward to entertaining this holiday season, and since we have an eat-in kitchen, it was fun to pull the Christmas decor through this space. These flocked wreaths that lined the back of our house turned out so cute. Believe it or not, they were only $10 at Walmart. But then of course I added these holly berries. Last of all, we added this second tree to our library to frame out the windows so you could see the tree from the street. If you haven't already, check out our Christmas light video. We're wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.